Alright, you're welcome again to another edition of Maths tutorial. A cylindrical pipe made up of metal is 3 cm thick. If the internal radius of the pipe is 10 cm, find the volume of the metal used in making 3 cm of the pipe. Now, if you look at this question, they are saying that there is a cylindrical pipe that is made up of metal. That the metal is 3 cm thick. That implies that you will have internal and then you are going to have external. Since it is 3 cm thick, there is a thickness there. Then it says that if the internal radius of the pipe is 10 cm, find the volume of the metal used in making 3 cm of the pipe. So what we are going to do is the volume now. Volume is going to be volume of the external pipe minus volume of internal pipe. The reason why you now have external internal is because they said it's a cylindrical pipe. Let's assume that it looks like this. But then they said it has a thickness of 3 centimeters. If it is 3 centimeters thick, so that means that it has to look like this, because this area will be the area of thickness. So if it is 3 centimeters thick, it will look like this. So let's say you have something like that on both ends. So you understand what I'm trying to do here. I'm just trying to let you know what you have. It is 3 centimeters thick. So it means that you have an external volume and you also have an internal volume. The formula for volume of a cylinder, the formula for volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. That's the formula for volume of a cylinder. So we are going to use that now to solve this problem. The volume of metal used to produce 3 centimeters of that pipe is going to be volume is equal to, like I said, volume of external pipe minus volume of internal pipe. So let's call the external pipe. We are going to use capital letter for the external pipe and small letter for the internal pipe. Pi, let's keep this one as pi, times radius now. Radius is, what do we have? A cylindrical pipe made of metal is 3 centimeters thick. If the internal radius of the pipe is 10 centimeters, so the internal radius of the pipe is 10 centimeters. But don't forget that they said it is 3 centimeters thick. It means that for the external, the radius will be 10 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. You add the thickness to it. They said it is 3 centimeters thick. So if it is 3 centimeters thick and the radius of the internal pipe is 10 centimeters, so the radius of the external pipe will be 13 centimeters, 13 square, multiplied by the height. They said find the volume of the metal used in making 3 centimeters of the pipe. That's multiplied by 3, multiplied by minus pi, multiplied by internal now. For internal, the radius is 10 centimeters squared, multiplied by height still remains as 3 centimeters. Why we are using 3 for height is that they said the pipe that they made from it is 3 centimeters. That's why we are using 3 centimeters as the height. So this is pi, 13 squared is 169, multiplied by 3 minus pi times 100 multiplied by 3. So pi times 169 times 3. Now what do we have? 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2, 20. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. You have 507 pi minus 100 times 3, that is 300 pi. So 507 minus 300 will give us what? 7 minus 0 will give us 7. 0 minus 0 will give us 0. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. 207 pi centimeter cube. For anything you are doing, the volume has to be in cube, centimeter cube or meter cube. So 207 pi centimeter cube is the volume of the metal used in making 3 centimeters of the pipe. I hope that is very clear to you. Don't forget, because of the thickness, that's why we have external and internal. And the reason why this one is 13 is because they told us that the pipe is 3 centimeter thick, and if the internal radius is 10 centimeter, definitely the external radius will be 10 plus 3 centimeter, which is the thickness of the pipe. So I believe this is self-explanatory. If you have any further question, don't hesitate to contact us or ask us directly. You will find our phone number. You can send us a message on WhatsApp if you have any further question or you have any inquiry. Thank you, and have a good day.